In today's exercise, I'm going to show you how to do a bear crawl. This is a full body exercise that activates everything, all right? There's no equipment needed for this exercise because it all deals with your body weight. Now, when performing this exercise, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and go down on all fours, your hands and feet, okay? Now, you want your knees lifted off the ground, and you want to stay in this position, which in yoga is called a power dog. In this position, it's going to really activate more of the core when performing the exercise. Now, when you're doing the bear crawl, what I don't want you to do, I don't want your butt in the air and then go into the bear crawl. I do not want you to do that because this doesn't really activate the core that much, okay? So I want you to be in that yoga power dog position, butt out, chest up, staying low to the ground, then performing the exercise, just like this. As you see, I'm staying low. I'm not bouncing my body. This is how you do a bear crawl.